guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very quick video because I need this to wash. So I was unboxing a few things that I received on from Amazon. So let's start with the box. I think that some of these things are stuff I got to review, like this. Whoa, like this. So this is Ellie's. Everybody, Ellie's Baby Plus non-Wi-Fi AR Smart Baby Monitor. So I'll have to do a dedicated video on TikTok for this. But it has a lot of things. It has sleep tracking. It has two-way talk, danger zone detection, lullabies, auto photo capture, cry soothing, infrared night vision, cry detection, 360 pan and tilt with follow baby technology, face covering and rollover alerts, temperature and humidity sensor. So in the box, might as well, because I just three things may unbox. In the box, it has the Ellie Baby Plus. They have a monitor, cushion, user manual, SD card, power adapter, and the crib holder. Okay. Oh, it's not bad. I'm not gonna put it no further. Come on to the TikTok video on it. Alright. So check me out on TikTok for a full review on this. This now what I want. Need to wash. Need to wash it. So I'm doing the video. My purse fit me. So it should be too oversized sweater, right? I can't have my belly any further, and I have to do a short trip. There's some stuff for the little one. So merciful. Oh, I keep it so. Oh, you can't tie it. Okay, this is big though. Oh my god, this is really oversized. Anyways, it's a little weird. Not gonna feel weird like I'm like big clothes like that, but it have to go weird. So I bought two, but it's from two different styles. So I don't know. Might wear this one. It's not so big. Might wear this one, or I don't know. Which me I don't know. When it wash, I will know which one I feel more comfortable wearing. Coming, I like big clothes. I like big clothes till I got shoes. So, but yeah, I probably insert a photo of how it fits. Alright, what is this now? I'll put the cutter in the bag. Oh my god. Alright, so what's this? This is a Will Better silicone feeding set. So I also got this to review, but I can still show you what's in it. Because I can always put the two videos that I do a long form and a dedicated video. Alright. Oh. So let me just show you what's in it. Oh, I can pack it back. You have a silicone fork. You have a bowl, suction, so stick to the high table. You have a silicone spoon with a wooden handle. A nice little cute cup. You have the plates, the different sections, like I put in three different stuff. I have the bib. I have to do a video on TikTok on it, so I don't want to put it up like that. Right? 3 minutes? 5 minutes? Not bad. Oh, we can't look back this long. Okay. Alright.